Let me tell you, it's been a long time since I filmed like a makeup video, like a makeup look, and even like a pink makeup look, like putting pink on my face. I stayed away from pink makeup look for a long time. So the fact that I'm coming back to makeup today and I'm doing like this pink makeup look, you guys got to know that it's very serious. So I just filmed this look and it looks so pretty, like super cute. So for me to put pink on my face, you guys know that I am ready. Like I am ready. This 2022, I am ready to give you guys like makeup content. So be ready. Subscribe if you're not subscribed to both my TikTok, my YouTube, and my Instagram. Like what are you doing? Like, did I offend you? Like why? Like why are you not subscribed? Why are you not subscribed? Why are you not following me? Like, the only reason, like, I'm trying to find a reason why I should tell you guys to go follow me there, but like, guys, it's free. It's just like, it's free. So just take a minute. Just go follow me on both my TikTok and my Instagram, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I got the inspiration from this, I think Chloe Cosmetics. That's where I got inspiration for this look, but I just made mine in pink. So I don't know if you guys can see it. It was just like liner makeup that she did, and I really liked how it was because I was confused on what to do. Then I just checked and I saw this and it was really cute. So that was the look I went for. So I think this is called like the double liner makeup, like the double liner makeup. So basically you just have like liner of your favorite color, you have like a glossy lips, and you have like a really like glowy face. Like basically just like more pinks to browns to nudes to like gloss. Like it's just really pretty. I really like this makeup. It came out so cute, so cute. I think you guys are gonna love this. I think you guys are gonna recreate this. I think you guys are gonna love this. So if you do recreate this and you love it, please don't forget to like tag me in it and let me see what you created, because this is super cute. Like this is what I would actually like wear and go out. This is kind of color like I would actually like put on to go out. Do you understand? So I just know you guys are gonna like this. It's super easy, and yeah, I feel like I've been rambling all over, so I'm shutting up. So you guys go enjoy. We are up and close and personal. Oh my god, guys, this is going to be weird because I haven't done like a makeup video in years. I think the lighting is fluctuating. I'm trying out this like natural lighting. So I'm in front of like a huge window, and like the sun is directly on my face, but I had to put blinds down because like I couldn't see. I was going blind. So like, well, this is just going to be good because I haven't done this in a long time. Like I haven't done a makeup video in years. Like I do TikToks and reels. In case you're not following me there, guys, like I'm offended. Like why are you not following me there? Like seriously, why? So I'm trying out this natural light and I hope it comes out good because like you guys can see it's bright, and I'm just like nah. So I just took the blinds down a little, which I hope I do not regret when I finish this video. I'm back with a video. So first up, I'm going to be going in with my MAC Pep and Prime Base Lumiere, I guess. I always like to like prime basically like my T-zone because of my pores. Like my pores be like, yo sis, mamacita chiquita, they be speaking out to me. Use primer on because like it just helps me basically so that we look good. It works. It has like the smell to it, but it's not a bad smell. I don't know what's my obsession with like smelling product, like especially product I'm going to use on my face. I always smell it. It doesn't smell bad. So now I'm just gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty foundation, the Pro Filter. Guys, this foundation has seen days. Like it has seen the best of its life. This foundation has gone through a lot basically, so let's just give prayers to it. Can you guys see the bottle? The bottle has gone through a lot with me. Like, I can't wait to finish this foundation. Still have like a good amount. I can't wait to like finish it so I can get like a new bottle. So I can get a bottle that doesn't leak, because I just woke up one day and yeah, it was leaking. And I was just like, wee, okay. So you guys know we have to now bring it out. I hope this natural lighting is working, because if it doesn't work, I'm gonna be mad. You know what time it is? It's time for us to blend this out. So I'm using this Bromnoy Black Beauty. It's like an African, like Nigerian brand. Really good. Like I've been using this sponge for a while now, and I can tell you, like, it is worth it. Like, and it's not even that expensive. It's like, I think 2K or to like 2,000. It's really good, basically. So I like the way it feels. Of all the beauty blenders I've used like a lot of beauty sponges from different brands. This is like one of my all-time favorite, because like it works on me. So guys, I just realized I did not cover my brows. Like I just drew my brows, but like I never actually concealed my brows. I was looking in the mirror, I was like, yo, my brows look nice, but like something is missing. I remember that, oh my goodness, I did not like cover up my brows. So we're just gonna do that. I'm just gonna be using P.LOUISE Rumor 03, like the blank canvas Rumor 03. I really like how my brows came out. That's why I think I did not want to like touch it or like do anything on you, because like I suck at drawing my brows. Like my brows is like my #1 problem when it comes to makeup. And just to mention, I'm not a makeup guru. I just like to play with makeup because it makes me happy. I normally use like the LA Girl concealer, like the pro concealer, but I ran out and I already had this. Like I got this and I've never tried them out, so I said let me try them out today. Ooh, it's actually done the job well. I'm actually really proud of it, because like I wasn't expecting it to be like this good so much. So I'm sorry if it goes in and goes out and goes in and goes out. I am trying to like natural lighting that everybody everybody's raving about. Everybody's raving like, oh, if you do make a video in natural lighting. I was like, okay, let's see what you guys have in plans for me. Can you guys see how it looks? Can you see how my brows came out? Oh, my brows came out so good. It looks so good. So the weapon of choice is also P.LOUISE. So I actually just got this. All these colors from P.LOUISE, like their bases and like everything. So it's to create magic. Can you guys see how cute this is? This is how it came in. Let me give you guys like a little ASMR time. So guys, I know I want to do something like pink, something like really pink, basically. So like I'm going to use like RAVER and I don't know, I think Winter Rose from P.LOUISE. This is how they look. This looks so cute. Like the packaging from P.LOUISE just like always like blows my mind. Blank canvas, like everyone has raved. Like all my favorite YouTubers that have watched over the years have always raved about blank canvas. So we're going to use blank canvas today for basically to create a blank canvas on our eyes. People be raving about that when you use this, it sticks down your makeup so well. Like you'll be shocked. So I'm just like, okay. It doesn't have like a particular smell, because I think I have an issue. I always be smelling all my makeup products I get. Every single one of them, I be smelling it. I'm just like, yo, chill, girl. Ooh. Hello. Hello. I hope I'm not applying too much. Because I feel like I'm applying too much. I definitely applied way much. I'm just gonna be using like the Juvia's Place palette with like an angled brush, like get like our perfect shade. So I got rid of the natural lighting. Like natural lighting was just going in and out, so I was just like, nah. So this is what we did to our eyes. Just going in with more pink, just to like intensify that out. And just the intensity makes it look really, like once it's really intense, whoa, that looks so nice, like really nice. Oh, I want the brightness to be like really intense. So next we're diving in with Huda Beauty. You guys know this is like one of my favorite brands ever, so we're just going to be diving in with Huda Beauty Desert Sand, just to like blend out all these parts that I haven't like setting. Guys know Huda Beauty be my plug. I can see how pretty it looks from my mirror down here. I don't know if you guys can see how pretty it looks. Like yeah, I think you guys can see. So I'm to just like correct all like the smudges made when I was blending it out. You guys see how clean it looks? Like it's just giving out like clean effect. This just basically like cleaned it out to make it like stand, so like it doesn't crease, the color don't jump into each other. It's just giving me like vixen vibes. So like it's just giving me like, don't talk to me, don't play with me. Like we might be doing pink lashes, guys. Just calm down. So finishing up the eyes, we're gonna use this mascara from Wet n Wild. Is this dry? Oh my goodness, this is dried, guys. So I think I have a spare one. Oh, I did not expect that it to be dried. I was shocked that was dried. So just gonna use this to bring out our lashes. Yeah, the formula of this Wet n Wild mascara is really good. Like the formula is really like thick, and I like that. Okay, lash from Eylure London in, is it Baroque? I really love the glues that come with this, like Eylure. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I love the glue that comes with the brand. I have the one of like best so far that I have used, one of the best glues for lashes. Like it's just really good, and I love this brand. I always use their Baroque. Like I have not tried another type of lashes from them. Like this Baroque fits my eyes so much, so I literally just get the Baroque. Anytime I'm like getting lashes from them, I just get Baroque because it just makes, that's the one that fits my eyes so much. They have different styles, but this is the one that works best for me, so this is why I have been using just this one. I've used, like I've never been so consistent to one lash style in my life. The way I'm consistent to this one, like, and it makes like all my like lash, all like any makeup I do with it just makes it look really nice and really clean. We don't have like the boom lashes every time we want to like do makeup, so I really like that. I love how that sounds. This is one of my best formula for like concealers, trust me. Contour my face because why not? I'm going to be using the Early Girl Pro Concealer. Snatched again, and I love the blending of this. Like it's so easy to blend. You don't just like actually bash your face off. Like, you know, there's some product that you be like, you have to be bashing it out. This is actually really easy to blend. For blush, I'm just going to be going in with this like Juvia's the Zulu palette, and I'm going to be using this pink shade here. So guys, I just did under of my eyes, but in doing so I like kind of poked my up lashes, and I've been trying to glue it back. You don't want to glue back, I don't know why, so I just did like the black liner what's in my waterline, and I used like the same eye shadow from the Juvia's place. I just used that also to just like line under my eyes. This is like one of my best highlighters. Can you guys see how much I've used it? I've used it to the point that it is just begging, holding on to your dear life. This is like one of my best so far, so is what I'm using. It's the way it melts into my skin that is for me. Like it just melts into like everything that you do, like the makeup that you're doing. Like it just melts everything together. That's why I love it. I'm looking for the highlighter that will top this for me, for my skin. Like I know there are other highlighters that work for rave about, but like I don't know yet. But you see this one, this is my, I swear by this. I like my makeup to have that like that glowy, just for it to just look really glowy. This is serving, like I'm serving you guys face right now. I'm serving you this whole trick of smell. I'm giving you guys just for free. I think this is all for the glowiness. Like the glow, I think we're good. I definitely want to do something glossy. Because like my face is very like glowy, having like nice like liquid lips. It's just going to be like that's just going to give it like that effect. Do you understand? Do this like that, bam bam. So guys, for my lips I decided to use the MAC Person Urban. This is like a brownish red. Guys, can you see how it looks? It has like the like brown red. So for lip gloss, I'm just going to be using the Fenty Beauty Fenty Glow lip gloss. This is like one of my favorite lip gloss. So guys, you know, this is so nice. This is nice. You guys know the Fenty, like the formula they use for their like lip gloss is really, really nice. So can you guys see my lips? I like how it looks. It looks so cool. Like, so this is my look. This is my face. Let me change up my outfit so we can like serve face. We can serve you guys like. So guys, we're finished. So this is the final pink makeup look. This is the pink makeup look, as you guys can see. What do you guys think? I just had to like put on like more pink because I was just feeling really like pinky. So what do you guys think about this? It looks so cute. I can't get over like my skin makeup. Like my skin makeup is just giving vibes. And then my lips all glossy. Like trust me, this is like the going out look. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Join the family. And I'll see you guys in my next vlog. And I'll see you guys in the next one.